So, you just bought a Scotch Brite spin mop but don't know how to use it? Let me show you! First, attach the 3 parts of the mop stick together, making sure to fasten tightly. Next, fill the bucket with water. To unlock the mop stick, flip the lock down. Then, move it up and down to rinse the mop. Lift up the mop together with the basket to spin dry. After drying, flip the lock back up to lock the mop stick in place. To release the mop, tilt the stick at an angle of about 30 to 45 degrees. With a sturdy stainless steel mop stick, microfiber mop, and fully lined inner ring, this mop can meet many of your needs. Better yet, it comes with an easily replaceable mop head. Keeping it is as simple as it gets. Firstly, pour the water away. Secondly, lift the bucket handle up to secure the mop. Lastly, place it in any corner.